Hello guys, this is Akshay Daga and welcome back to Daga's Dumbbox, and this is an unboxing video. So this is very interesting product. Like when I say interesting, I haven't opened it yet, but whatever I have heard about it, it's really nice product. At the price I have purchased it, at that price it should be a value product. So let's unbox it. What is it? I'll tell you. So before unboxing it, it is a wireless mic. Generally, if you search online, you can find many more wireless mics. The very famous one is Rhodes, from Rhodes company, but it cost around 30,000 and it's out of my budget. So I have searched for some other variants. So you might have also heard about K8. It is a China made product, wireless mic, but K8 is very common and very many more reviews are already available on the internet. But this is not K8, it is some other variant of K8 where two transmitter and one receiver. That means two mics and one receiver. So if you are planning to have some interview kind of session where two different people will be talking and you cannot keep single mic for that purpose, then you can use this mic, and they call it as a K9. Let's unbox it. So you can see this is the K9. I think you might be seeing the mirror view, but this is the K9. Just check it, and you can see there is one receiver and two mics, right? If I go here, there are two mics and one receiver. And on the site where I have purchased, I purchased it from Amazon, and if you search for that, only one or two sellers you will find for K9. For K8 you will find many more sellers, and you will find it very easily. I'll try to provide the link in the description where you can buy it. This kind of mics are available for iPhone as well as Android. So where I purchased it, it was written it is a Type-C compatible. Let's see, I'm hoping it should be for Android because I am using Android. If that's not the case, I'll mention that. So let's unbox it. So let's open it. And very beautiful product is there, you can see it. So there are two different mics, right? Mic 1, mic 2, and receiver. And luckily I got Type-C receiver, right? So this is a good news for me, I can use it. What other thing is there in the box? They have given a charging cable using which we can charge this. See, I'll tell you. So this is a receiver, we'll connect it to our mobile and we don't need to charge it. Okay, there is another one slot over here so that we can connect the mic, this wireless mic, to our phone. At the same time we can charge our phone. Okay, we don't need to charge this piece. Okay, it doesn't have any battery. We need to charge these two microphones. Okay, and we have charging slot given to both of them, you can see it, right? And we have to charge it. Also collar mic, this is a collar mic, so they have given clips to us. We can simply connect it like this. You can see right now the mic I am using is a Boya mic. It is a wired mic and can be connected to any device, any camera, mobile or laptop through 3.5mm jack. Now the problem which I am facing these days is, if I want to purchase any new phone, then they are not coming up with 3.5mm jack, right? And that's the main problem I am facing. That's why I was thinking of getting some wireless mic. Then I searched for it. I found that Rode mic is very famous and every YouTuber is using that. But the challenge was it is 30,000 INR, and I'm not willing to invest that much or spend that much money on the mic. So I searched this. I'll provide the link in the description and I'll check it, I'll test it. We'll talk about the sound quality and everything, whether it works, how it works, in next part of the video. Thank you.